How to transfer your Bitcoin out of People to another wallet. To transfer Bitcoin out of People, you may follow up these steps. So, launch the People app on your mobile device first, and you will be finding this interface. Now, navigate to the Finances tab or find the crypto option, and then go and look out for your Bitcoin balance like this. Now, just go ahead and tap on Bitcoin balance, and it opens up on your screen like this. Now tap on send or sell button to initiate the process of transaction. Just go ahead and do so. Tap on the arrow and tap on send button, often represented by transfer arrows to initiate a transaction. And once that is done, you may just go ahead and search for the person where you would like to send it, enter the recipient address, the Bitcoin address of the external wallet you want to send the Bitcoin to, or their name, phone, email, etc. Once it is done, you can just go to enter the amount that you want to send or choose a dollar amount, and the app will calculate the corresponding Bitcoin value. Once it is completed, you can review the transaction details, which will include the network fee and exchange rate. Complete any required security verification, and then tap on send now, which should be available like this. So you can just go ahead and tap on send now, and that way you can transfer your Bitcoin out of People to another wallet. So that is how you do it. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.